file a case as soon as possible. As this is the demand of the people. It is what the people, the Philippines want. So in that regard, Mr. Chairman, I hope that I will be allowed to bring Mr. Alcantara to the DOJ this morning so that we can evaluate his affidavit in full, given all the annexes, and that we can also ask him to sign certain documents that may be necessary to pursue the manufacturers mentioned in his affidavit. That is our request, Mr. Chairman.
On condition that you have to bring him back after lunch, so the members of the committee may also propound questions.
Yes, sir. We will bring him up. We will bring him back by 1:30 to 2 o'clock, sir.
In the meantime, they can read the affidavit, the signed affidavit, so they can prepare their questions later.
Yes, sir.
Any objection? Hearing none. So the manifestation or the request of the Secretary of Justice is hereby approved or granted. For a while, Mr. Secretary, meron lahat ng tatanungin si Vice Chairman sa inyo.